Good morning there. Well, the last 7-day period we had 2 main thunderstorm chances and we got thunderstorms on both occasions. So last Sunday we had a front there push into the western side of the North Island, and there were thunderstorms in the end around Taranaki, northern Taranaki. Basically, perhaps there was a rumble or two about the top of the South Island also. Then on Tuesday, there's actually a front down here to the southwest on this image, but Tuesday it launched into the western side of the North Island, and yeah, we mentioned there could be a thunderstorm or two. And there was, I believe, and there may have even been a small tornado that moved through Levin. Eastern side of the South Island, we just suggested there could be a strong south to southwesterly change, and there certainly was, with some rain. Wasn't really thinking there were going to be any thunderstorms in the end. I don't think there was, but certainly a lot of rain, especially for Banks Peninsula there. Now today, Saturday, through till about Monday, 3 days, not really too much happening. The weather's going to be pretty settled. As we move to Tuesday next week, things are starting to change up a little bit. There is going to be a weak front which pushes northwards over the South Island. Earlier on Tuesday, perhaps overnight Monday, there's going to be some rain here in the south. As it moves northwards, it sort of eases to sort of like patchy rain or drizzle. Perhaps first thing early on Tuesday, once again, perhaps later on Monday, there is a chance of some thunder around southwestern Fiordland with that front there as it moves through. Now up there to the north there is a tropical low. These showers here to the northeast, there is a slim chance of some instability, maybe an isolated heavy shower here, a slim chance of some thunder. That tropical low, Noah, please move in, build an ark on Wednesday because it all goes downhill. The low moves down, strong sort of like northeasterly quarter winds up here, but winds coming in from the southeast on this side, once again quite strong, especially through Cook Strait there. And then this northeastern portion, and yes, there will be some heavyish rain, especially here in the northeast. Not really any thunder though, it's just sort of like muggy, humid, heavyish rain. Upper air temperatures are very warm. At the surface, yeah, very muggy. Dew point temperatures, that's a measure of humidity, are going to be up around sort of like 20 degree mark, early 20 degree mark, especially here in the north. Interestingly, with these lows and these fronts, as they sink down from the north, quite often they can curl in and bring heavy rain right down this eastern side, so it'll be something to watch. We'll have to see if that happens or not. Let's move to Thursday, where those winds are going to ease a little bit. Still very humid and muggy here in the north, still a little bit of heavyish rain here in the northeast, especially Bay of Plenty, East Cape. You can see the front there as it's dropped to the south. There is going to be some instability offshore here in that portion of this low. A little bit of heavyish rain, perhaps a few heavy isolated showers about the top of the South Island there. Now as that low rotates in, that instability, that area right there is going to move into the top of the South Island. So this is Friday morning, so a few heavy showers there, could be some thunder. And then interestingly that front there curls into the lower South Island again, brings a bit of rain there in the south. And that's about that. Okay, we'll catch you again next Saturday morning. Cheers.
Severe thunderstorm large hail has been forecast. Storm moving northwards on the Canberra Plains.